how to add my computer icon on desktop on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the home page or the home screen of your device. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here and open the File Explorer. So once you open File Explorer, you will be redirected in this part. Now what we're going to do next is to go on the top left corner of the screen, and then you will see this arrow. All you have to do is to look for this PC. So as you can see, this is the icon that we are looking for. Now what we're going to do next is to drag this right here by just dragging it on our home screen. So drag it right here, and then let's say we want to put it right here, so you can do that. And then as you can see, we now have added this PC on our home screen. Now, if you want to change the name of it, all you have to do is to click it and then right click and then click rename. And then let's say, for example, that you want to rename this to PC and then click enter. And then once you're now done, once you click that, you will now be redirected on your PC, as you can see right here. So that is basically it. That is how to add my computer on desktop on Windows 11.